North Carolina. We are here hanging out with Mr. Beast
and Kress.
Look at this man.
Look at this beautiful place.
I think Mr. Beast is somewhere in the state of North Carolina. We're gonna look for him. And we're also gonna be hanging out with our friends at the Kress Content House, checking out their battery-powered equipment that's for commercial landscapers. I got my boy Naylor Taliaferro here.
What's going on, everybody? I love Kress. Let's go.
John Pajak.
How's everyone doing? It's amazing. I love this place.
And a whole bunch of other influencers. We're gonna go test out this Kress powered equipment, battery powered equipment. Let's go.
Let's go.
Hey guys, I want to show you the blower here from Kress, and it's so quiet that we can carry on a conversation. We'll demonstrate in a moment, but I have the Lee Withers here to tell us all about these blowers from Kress.
First off, thanks for the call out on my Instagram handle. So thanks for that. I'm great with that.
Yeah, you're welcome. So tell us about these blowers, and can we show an actual demonstration how quiet they are?
100%. Where do you want to start?
Sure, this one. And we don't need any PPE earplugs here because it's so quiet.
Yeah. So you lead with a great point, right? Safety wise, think about your crews running this, and who knows? He's not paying attention. He backs into the road. Can you yell at me now?
Hey!
Yeah, get out of the road. You don't have to yell, really. I can hear you. We can have this conversation. Yeah, so 22 newtons of force on our 850 cc blower, our CFM blower. This thing right here is probably more powerful than about 85–90% of the backpack blowers in the industry, strictly in a handheld unit.
Yeah. Now tell us about these backpack blowers.
So these are our commercial units, and they're going to start power-wise at about 22 newtons of force, and then go up to 35 newtons of force. Right. So that's, again, some of the most powerful backpack blowers in the industry in a battery unit. 100%, 900 CFMs maximum force. On your setting 2, which I would recommend probably for about, 10 months out of the year. Just about equivalent to about a 50 cc blower. All you really need, over an hour runtime.
So if you're blowing off grass off the sidewalk or street, or just clippings in the yard, you're going to be on setting 2.
Setting 1, setting 2.
If you're doing wet leaves in the cold day in the fall, you're going to be on setting 3.
Setting 3 to setting 4.
Okay.
Yeah, so you're probably somewhere in the, let's call it 20 to 30 minute range.
Got it. Anything else you want to share about these blowers? Can you put one on and talk to me?
Well, first off, what I would tell you always, what's really neat about the blower, we want to talk about the profile of the unit. And so what I really like about this, we want to talk about, it's heavy. Well, it's really not heavy when you consider the profile of the unit. If this was a petrol unit, I would have a gap here that I've got to get air in for intake, but also to help cool me, right? Because I got this hot engine running behind me, and then the engine actually sits out here. So if it's similar weight, the further out the weight is, the heavier it is and load on my back. So we want to make sure that we want to recognize that. The other piece here is you've got to wear the harness. There's a reason a manufacturer puts on a full harness with a hip belt on it. So this unit here, we're going to put it on, and then what we want to do is to start with our hip belt. And so what I like to do is I kind of like to lean over a little bit, get my hip belt buckled in, and get it on to my lower back. If I can get that on my lower back, and then I can turn around and pull it down, right? And I can put it on right. And that weight is all centered.
Yes, sir.
And I'm covered very well. Right, I got full range of motion. And the other nice thing on our unit is, of course, our full elbow here. And I don't get a ton of sideways force. It's just strictly here, so it's really nice. Very nice.
Now crank it up and let's try to have a conversation.
So again, setting 1 and setting 2. That's about all you'll ever do.
We can actually talk while the blowers.
Again, think about the safety aspect. This is a big thing to be able to have this conversation. And again, if I'm not paying attention going down the road,
Right.
And I can hear the car beep at me. I can hear something else going on. I can hear the guy in the tree that's cutting, right?
Yeah.
And my arborist up there, and I'm cleaning up.
Or as our cameraman Blake Albertson says, Sweet Sue. calling you in for your sweet tea, Lee.
That's right. That would be nice. What a great place here. I believe Sue would probably live in this place.
Yeah, show them the Kress Content House here.
It's beautiful.
It's a beautiful place. You got Roddy Coleman here as well. So.
Lightweight, baby.
Yeah, buddy. All right. Well, thanks so much, Lee, and thanks for having us out to the Kress Content House.
Thanks so much.